For this episode, we will learn practical steps of plant propagation that you can do in your own home gardens. Alfred is a well-known grower of ornamental plants in Tagum City, south of Philippines. His plant jewel garden is some of the best and beautifully grown collector's items that you can find today.
Hi, good morning. We're going to feature today the process of propagation.
And we have two procedures. The sexual reproduction, which is the union of the egg and the pollen to generate or produce seeds. And the other one is the asexual reproduction. These are taking part of one present plant to regenerate itself into a new plant.
We're going to show you the actual procedure on how to propagate through asexual propagation.
Somewhere on the scene, it got a little longer, so it seems. I burned out, so to speak.
These cuttings are now ready for planting.
I feel a little light in the light track. I felt a bit of bad, but I came back. There's still a little light in the light crack. There's still a bit of good, so good. And I know just what to say. And I know just what to do. And I'm so sick of pain. But it's all too quick with you.
Going to propagate the division process.
This is all for this episode, and we hope you enjoyed and learned something new. We ask you to support the channel and to on the algorithm and hit that subscribe button. If you have other questions, if you have topics that you want like us to discuss, just comment in the section below. See you next episode and stay awesome.